I knew it. I knew it was gonna rain. It's January 1st, 2026. And because the sky is full of smoke, I knew it was gonna rain today. And it's pretty strong. And I haven't prepared. Ayan, ang daming tumutulo. Anyway, so that's January 1st. Let me just show you what happened to my... Ayun, tinamaan ng hippies. Huh. So, dyan siya pumutok kagabi. Buti na lang dahil dyan lang naman sa shade net. Kung hindi, napahamak ang aking plants. So, napasubo sana to kung wala ito. So anyway, I'm glad my plants are safe from the New Year paputoks. It's an irony kasi the morning yesterday, may nagra-round na police na nagre-remind na bawal magpaputok sa Baguio, etc. etc. yada yada yada. But of course, masaya ang mga Pilipino. Nakasanayan na tradition na kasi natin na magpaputok. Kaya, yun, marami pa rin nagpaputok. And, hindi may iwasan na muntik na magka-aksidente. Buti na lang, muntik lang. But you know what? The rain is kind of strong. I need to just put the shade over here to protect the farina on these plants a little bit because... But you know what? I need to water naman these plants talaga. I need them to be watered. But, not too much. Actually, you know what? Papayungan ko si ano. Payungan natin si... Gamitin natin to. Payungan natin to kasi ayoko siyang masyadong madurog sa ulan. Yung farina niya. So, ganyan gawin natin. Yan, magaganda nila. So they were really dry a couple of days ago and they badly needed water. Actually, I've been watering the plants. I've been watering the plants, but I haven't watered everything just yet. And my goal is to repot everything still and get them established on their roots. That is the goal at least, but we're in the middle of a holiday, so we couldn't really actually finish everything. But it's a slow work in progress, like I've been saying all the time. And so, ayun. Anyway, I just want to show you that it's raining right now. There's been a little bit of muntik ng damage lang. But that's it. Yun lang naman. Thank you so much. This is just a little update. And I'll see you in the following videos. Welcome to 2026, everyone. Don't be pressured of the new year. I mean, if huwag ka ma-pressure sa mga bagong stuff. Take your time. I-develop mo sarili mo in your own time. Alam mo yun? Huwag mo i-pressure ang sarili mo. Anyway, paulanan lang natin to para madiligan din siya. Yun lang. Bye! Sana naisip ko nang ilabas itong mga to kanina para maulanan. Di pa ako napagod, di pa ako nabasa. ChatGPT. Why does it always rain after New Year's Eve? Is it because of fireworks? And ang sagot niya, it feels like it always rains after New Year's Eve, but that's mostly a coincidence. Fireworks aren't the cause. Here's what's really going on. Why it seems to rain after New Year. Seasonal weather, number one. In many parts of the world, New Year's happens during a rainy or storm-prone season. Winter storms in some places, summer rains in others. So rain around January 1st is already more likely. Number two, memory bias. We remember rainy New Year's days more clearly because they're annoying or disappointing. Dry ones don't stand out as much, so our brains exaggerate the pattern. So it's all in the month. Number 3, weather systems last days. Storms often stick around for several days. If it's cloudy or unstable on December 31, rain on January 1 is pretty likely too. Do fireworks cause rain? No. Fireworks cannot make it rain. Fireworks release smoke and tiny particles, but not nearly enough to change weather systems. Rain needs large-scale processes, moisture, rising air temperature changes over many kilometers in the atmosphere. Even cloud seeding, which uses special particles from aircraft, has limited and uncertain effects, and fireworks are nowhere near that scale. So, what's the short answer? It's seasonal weather plus coincidence plus how our brains notice patterns, not fireworks. If you want, tell me roughly where you live, yada yada yada, blah 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 blah. Why it feels like every year. New Year's Day rain in Baguio is common, so the pattern feels real. Rain on a holiday is memorable. Dry days are easy to forget. Okay, fine. Ang akala ko kasi may kinalaman yung dust particles tapos magpe-precipitate. Yung clouds kakapal, bibigat, tapos magpe-precipitate. Di ba may experiment tayo nung college, papausukan natin or something. Precipitation, rainy. So, akala ko may kinalaman yung smoke ng fireworks sa rain. Ano sa tingin mo? Tama ba yung iniisip ko? Pero, dahil kaya umulan ngayon. But anyway, yun ang sagot ni ChatGPT. Hindi daw.